She a pray me God's a nation. So me I talk to too much girl, but me I tell her say they're just fans. Right?
There's a difference between talking to girls and groupies.
Groupies are also fans, baby. They need to be treated like fans. You gotta treat them with love.
You gotta treat them like groupies.
They're gonna buy the tickets and come to the shows, baby. You know, if it's a self-care mother.
Suck everyone's mother that tries to come in between.
Huh?
Suck everyone's mother that tries to come in between.
That's grammatically wrong, you know that, right?
I don't care. Suck every single person's mother.
No.
Yeah.
No, you're saying it wrong. You're saying it wrong, baby.
Suck your mother.
That's how you said. Behave yourself.
Yo, you can satisfy him.
What now you're in a biz?
I said, fuck the bitches that think they can satisfy.